Hey, buddy. So in the sprint today,
Are we allowed to go behind the barrier?
What do you think about this moto?
Really amazing.
For me, really.
How do I look? Well, you look good on it.
Yes.
Really?
Looks quality.
Yes, looks really good.
Really looks quality.
Yes.
Everything is quality. Look, it did.
You don't see, we see your hand only.
I want to see how I look in the other model. Maybe I get a Royal Enfield. Indian people love it also.
that one's easier for me.
Our viewers.
No, ora uso questo.
You look cool. He looks cool. He's 190 centimeters tall, 6.2 feet. It is really unique. Really unique.
7,000. And this is the big one. There is a smaller one. Kilos,
How many capacity is this?
650.
Ah, it's big.
It's big.
Okay. Oh, 350 capacity. 350. Smaller? No. 350 cc engine capacity.
Royal Enfield is many years the same. So they use this for many years. And it's reliable, simple, strong. It's going to last forever. Amazing. I want you to take a picture. Me sitting.